In this video, I show you top 10 longest rivers in the world, but before that, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let's go. Nile River, 6,650 kilometers. The Nile River is thought to be the world's longest river. Although the Nile River is the longest river in the world for most of us, there is a group of scholars who believe that there is another genuine winner. Amazon River, 6,575 kilometers. The Amazon River is without a doubt the world's greatest river in terms of water flow volume. However, it's claimed to being the world's second longest river. Yangtze River, 6,300 kilometers. The Yangtze River is the world's third longest river, and the world's longest river that runs fully within a single country. It is also known as Asia's longest river. 1/3 of the population of the world's most populous country, China, lives in the Yangtze River basin. Mississippi River, 6,275 kilometers. The Mississippi, Missouri, and Jefferson rivers make up the world's fourth longest river system. The river system drains 31 states in the United States and 2 provinces in Canada. The Mississippi River originates in northern Minnesota, where Lake Itasca is thought to be its source, then flows into the Gulf of Mexico. Yenisei River, 5,539 kilometers. The Yenisei River is the world's fifth longest river system, and it is also known as the Arctic Ocean's largest. The Selenge River is considered the river system headwaters. Yellow River, 5,464 kilometers. This gigantic river, also known as the Huanghe, is named after its color, which is the result of massive volumes of loose debris in the water. Its basin is regarded as the birthplace of ancient Chinese civilization. It continues to possess significant symbolic and practical significance for the country. Irtysh River, 5,410 kilometers. Along with the Yenisei and Lena, the Irtysh, often known as the Ob River, one of the 3 main Siberian rivers. It runs into the Arctic Ocean and originate in the Altas Mountains. The Parana River, 4,880 kilometers. The Parana River, located in South America. It is one of the world's longest rivers, and the continent's second largest. Its name is a contraction of the Tupi phrase, Para ri Anyava, which means, like the sea. Congo River, 4,700 kilometers. The Congo River, formerly known as the Zaire River, flows in a curved path across Africa's continent, and is the only river to cross the equator twice. It is also the world's deepest river, with some sections reaching depths of over 700 feet. Amur River, 4,480 kilometers. The Amur River, also known as the Heilongjiang, is the world's 10th longest river, running along the boundary between northeastern China and Russia. The Chinese Heilongjiang translates to Black Dragon River, whereas the word Amur is supposed to come from a term for water. Thanks for watching. Comment down below for your reaction and suggestions.